If you need to access your website files quickly, hosting as File Manager is one of the easiest tools to use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to open Hosting a File Manager step by step, so you can get into your site's root directory and manage your files without confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple hosting and website tutorials. First, log into your Hostinger account by going to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're inside hPanel, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Websites. This is where all of your hosted sites are listed, and it's the starting point for accessing your website dashboard. Next, find the website you want to work on. If you manage multiple sites, take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one. Once you've found it, click Manage next to that website card. Depending on your account layout, you may also see options like Admin Panel or Dashboard, but the goal is the same. You want to open the management area for that specific website. After the website dashboard opens, look for the Files section or the left sidebar menu inside the dashboard. Here you should see the File Manager option. Click on File Manager, or if it appears with your domain name, click the version labeled for your website. This will open Hostinger's File Manager, usually in a new tab. Now you have full access to your site's file structure. This is where you can browse important folders like public/HTML, which is typically the root directory for your website. From here, you can upload files, edit content, manage folders, and make changes directly without needing FTP software. If the file manager doesn't open right away, make sure your browser allows pop-ups for Hostinger and confirm that you're logged into the correct account with access to the website. Also, double check that you clicked Manage for the right site, because File Manager is tied to the specific hosting account and website you selected. And that's it. You now know how to open Hosting a File Manager from hPanel and access your website files in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy website hosting tutorials.